One of the questions I've often asked is, where do you get the sounds for your lightsaber projects? And I've mentioned saberfont.com a lots of times. There's a lot of high quality fonts you can buy there. But there's also some that are available completely for free thanks to FX Saber's forum member named, he goes by Darth PJs. And he's put together a couple of fonts, two in particular that I really love. I'm kind of a purist, big fan of the original trilogy, and they kind of have that vibe. So I was going to demo those for you today, and I'll include links in the description that tell you where you can get these. They're included right with FX Saber OS, and you can also use them with whatever Arduino projects you want to.